Hello guys! As you may know, Google has released a new large AI model called Gemini 2.5 Pro. It is a reasoning model and performed great on many difficult tasks, even beating all other reasoning models in many benchmarks. In this video, we will tell you how you can use it for free. Then we will test its performance for reasoning and coding tests. We will do a Python Pacman game test and a website design test later. So let's start. To use it for free, go to AI Studio Google. Log in with Gmail. Now, as you can see, Gemini 2.5 Pro is selected here. You can chat with it here for free, no limits. It has 1 million tokens. Let's try asking it about itself. See, it is working perfectly as we needed. Let's start with the test. This is a result sheet for these tests, also created by the Gemini 2.5 Pro model, as you see here. As mentioned, the test will have 3 phases: reasoning test, Pacman game test, and site designing test. Starting with reasoning tests. The first question is the popular strawberry test that I modified by adding an extra R. How many R's are in strawberry? It is given the correct answer, which is 4, as I added an extra R, so a pass here. Next is question 2, which most AIs answer wrong. It is from Reddit. It is a cracking code question whose answer is 3841. Let's copy the question and try. Waiting. It is a pass. The answer is 3841, which is correct. Next is this decoding reasoning challenge I found on Twitter. The answer is, there are 3 R's in strawberry. Let's copy it and paste it into Gemini. Waiting now. Fail here, it is not the decoded message. That's bad. With this, the reasoning tests are complete. Gemini 2.5 Pro answered 2 of these correctly. Next up is the Python Pacman game coding test. Let's try. Writing a small prompt. It is prompt in which we asked for a complete professional game, with all features generated programmatically in Python. Wait now. Code is generated. Let's try it. It is getting errors. Let's ask for a fix. Well, after fixing that error, let's try it. It is working but has issues, like ghosts and Pacman not moving at all. I can't play it. It can be fixed if we ask Gemini for a fix, but for now, it failed the test. Next up is the website designing test. Writing a prompt for a software company website, asking it to make it professional and unique, like a goated website. Wait now. Code is generated. Let's try it. The website code is working. It looks great visually, although we need to add images here. It is very impressive, so it's a pass here. So this ends the coding test. Here are the overall results, with a fail as it could not pass 2 questions. In total, Gemini 2.5 Pro is a good model for coding and reasoning. It is one of the best models available currently. The best part is that it is completely comparable to o3 Mini High or Claude reasoning model. That's all. Thanks for watching.